Welcome friends. Today we learn about voltage. What is voltage? We learn step by step definition, formula unit, analogy, effect on bulb, then measurement of voltage and various another names given to the voltage. Firstly definition. Voltage is a difference in electrical potential energy per unit of charge between 2 points. It is the pressure difference between higher and lower level points. Then formula. V is equal to potential energy per unit of charge, means potential energy upon charge is a formula. Then unit, potential energy means potential to do work, so energy measured in joule and charge is measured in coulomb. So V is equal to joule upon coulomb is equal to volt, so unit of voltage is volt. Simply, voltage pushes electron around a circuit. Without voltage, electron moves freely in any direction. See figure 1. No potential difference is applied. Then electron moves freely in any direction. And in figure 2, if we applied potential difference, then voltage pushes electron around a circuit. Then analogy with water. Electricity and water flow is analogous, in that voltage is equal to pressure and current is equal to flow. If we see in figure, if there is no current, then there is increase in pressure, and if there is current, pressure is decreased slightly. In water also same things, means if flow increases, pressure will get decreases. Then effect on bulb. As voltage decreases, brightness of bulb decreases. See in figure, we take two voltage sources, 6 volt and 9 volt batteries. In 6 volt, brightness is slightly less and 9 volt brightness is more. Means there is less pressure to force electron in the circuit, so less light is produced in 6 volt. And there is high pressure to force electron in the circuit, so higher level of brightness is produced. Then measurement of voltage. Voltage is measured with voltmeter and PT instrument. We see multimeter in figure. In that we measure voltage, current, resistance, continuity, etc. In that we measure the voltage for LT side. Then for higher voltage measurement we use the PT instrument, means potential transformer. The circuit should have the power supply turned on while measuring the voltage. The voltmeter should be connected to the two ends of the circuit of a different phases. Then another names to voltage. First, potential difference. As per the definition, it is the difference between higher and lower level, so it is called as potential difference. Then EMF. EMF means maximum potential difference a power source can have is an electromotive force. EMF means electromotive force. It is the maximum potential difference a power source can have. Means in battery we measure in terms of EMF. Then electric pressure. We see analogy. As per the analogy, voltage is measured in terms of pressure. Then electric tension. We see LT line, ST line, then LT side, ST side. LT, ST means low tension, high tension. So voltage is measured in terms of tension. These all quantities are same.